Hello, my name is Rebecca Sodero, and I'm going to show you how the Liri-Bot works on my terminal and the code that I created for it. Basically, here are all the variables that I need for my program to work. I have the requirement installs. I have the Spotify, Axios, FS, Moment.m, and those are necessary for this to work. I added that in the README file. And here we are. So here is the I created this this for loop where helps gather all the words after the arg is 3. So if it's several words like Bruno Mars or Gone with the Wind or something like that, it will gather that as a one word. And so here I have the logging command. It's going to be logging it to the log.txt right here. And then I have the commands that are required for this program to work, which are concert this, Spotify this song, movie this, or do what it says. So here I could have used switch, but I prefer the if and if else, or else if. Here's my function for concert this, where you find all the information about your artist, and it prints the venue, location, and the event for that band or artist. Then I also have the Spotify this song function, which gathers the song or the artist and gives this information, the album and the preview link to it. Then I have movie this, where you enter your movie, and basically it will have all the information about your movie displayed, catching the errors too on it. I also had some problems with Rotten Tomatoes rating for some movies. They're not available, like Terminator. So there's a little shortcut that we had to go through. Like I had to fix this bug where if Rotten is undefined, which is the response.data that ratings in the array number 1, that sometimes is not available, so it was giving me an error and it's not even displaying anything. So that's how I fixed this bug. So Terminator is working now, and I'm going to show you that. And so there's this other function, which is the do what it says, and this function will basically read random.txt, whatever it has in there, and it will display the information on the terminal. So I made it the way where you can just not enter just one thing or one command, but it has several commands in it. And I was also thinking on creating like a favorite document where I can input all my favorites and then read them whenever I want it. But I didn't have time for that. Maybe I'll do it later, but that's an option. So I'm going to show you how this works. Basically, do that or do what it says is going to print menu of content with all the things that are in that document. So if I go to log.txt is going to have, oh no, that's the log. So let's go to random. Random is going to show all the different commands that I posted in there, Spotify, this song, movie, this, and then concert this. So if I click in here and go to the terminal and just do what I said, it's gonna show me the menu of content or the things that are inside that document, and then it's going to display each requirement or each function. So in this case it was the movie for the Avengers, the Ed Sheeran information about, you know, all his dates, and the information about I want it that way. It's going to show all that information. You can add whatever you like to that random.txt. I'm going to show you the other commands. Spotify, this song, just fantasy. So it's going to show, you know, this Spotifying that song. So it's going to show all the different artists and different ways. I also have movie this. I remember Terminator had a bug, so I was not able to display before, but now it is, because now Rotten Tomatoes is not available, but it's showing. And I'm gonna add movie Avengers so you can see Avengers that one has all the information available. And let's see, concert this, so room 5, and it's showing all the events for this band. I want to also show you how it's still logging all of my information in this document. So it's showing all the, I'm going to show you how it's logging in. So if I do concert room 5, immediately appears right here. If I want to do movie Avengers, immediately it's going to show there. So if I was getting this login to read, I could definitely get that working and show, display all the login information if I wanted to. All right, this is basically it. I learned a lot. I really like this, like Node and the way things work. So thank you, and I hope this works for you.